My name's Matt Reiff. I work for SafTLite General Manufacturing. We are a specialty lighting power supply manufacturer in Bluffton, Indiana. Business was started in 1962 up in Fort Wayne. Then it was acquired by my parents in 1986. We do mounted lighting for cask lighting. Install those on reels. We install those on cords. Our stuff is meant to be portable. Our power supply stuff is meant to be more of a semi-portable. It's in a reel, it's in a cord set, say for example in a military shelter where it gets deployed and set up. Standalone power supply equipment. So we are known in the automotive aftermarket world for our brand SafTLite, but then also the Stubby line. Our products are sold nationwide. One of those situations where I was doing the work myself. Anywhere from the email server to updates to the computers, to building the machines, that kind of thing. That wasn't where I needed to spend my time. I was doing it more as a cost-saving matter. Reached out to Ryan, he and I began to work together on various different projects early on. It's grown into a fully managed system with Fort Wayne Technology Group. So in terms of the systems that we use and we found very good, whereas Ryan's recommendation on the HP Z series, just been absolutely amazing machines. Very solid, very reliable, very high performing pieces of equipment. And it's just been one of those you look back and I should have done it sooner type of thing. And then in terms of our it's kind of the managed systems, the Sentinel, again, it's just hands off. So we've had a couple situations with, had I been doing it myself and not been using Ryan, Fort Wayne Technology Group, we would have had some serious compromises. But because it's so robust and maintained all the time, that just was a blip on the radar for us. I would 100% recommend Fort Wayne Technology Group to anybody.